Welcome to session 5. Now in this session, we will continue to work on strength with the Warrior series with asanas like the Warrior lunge. Are we ready? Let's begin the warm-up. This one is a spinal extension. Keep your feet comfortably apart, firmly planted on the ground. Bring your palms to the heart center. Now interlock your fingers, inhale, bring your arms all the way up, eyes on the ceiling. Exhale, bring your palms to the heart center. This becomes one round. We will do 5 of these. Are we ready? Let's begin. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms to the heart center. 1. Inhale, arm up. Elbows locked, eyes on the ceiling. Exhale, palms back to the heart center. 2. Keep going. Inhale, up. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, back to the heart center. 2 more to go. Inhale, up. Exhale to the center. 4. Last one. Inhale, up. Exhale, back to center. Spinal twist. Keep your feet hip width apart. Raise your arms all the way up to the ceiling, eyes following the ceiling. Feet firmly planted on the ground. Twist your upper body to the right side. Now bring your arms down to shoulder level and your eyes following the back hand. Exhale. Inhale, up, back to the center. Exhale, and to the left. Now this one is 1 round. We will do 5 rounds of this. Are we ready? Let's do this together. Inhale, up. Eyes on the ceiling. Exhale, twist to the right, eyes following the back hand. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale to the left. Keep your arms shoulder level. Inhale, up. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Exhale, left. 3 more to go. Inhale, up. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Exhale, left. Keep going. 2 more. Inhale, up. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Exhale, left. Last one. Inhale, up. Exhale, and back to the center. Inhale and exhale. And down. Okay. Modified backward and forward bend. Keep your feet comfortably apart. Place your arms on your hips. Now push your elbows back. Keep your knees locked and arch your back. You don't have to follow your eyes to the ceiling. And now, hinge at the hips, bend your knee, abdomen down, chest down, and head down. You don't need to squat too low. Now this is 1 round. We will do 5 of these. Are we ready? Let's go. Position. Now, inhale, arch, knees locked. Exhale, go down, hinge at the hips, bend your knee, abdomen, chest, and head. Inhale, rise up, head, chest, and abdomen, arch. Exhale, and down. That's 2, 3 more to go. Inhale, up, arch. Exhale, down. Abdomen, chest, and head. Inhale, up, head, chest, and abdomen. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, arch. Exhale, down. Abdomen, chest, and head. Rise up gently. And We're done with the warm-up. Now let's begin with the main asanas. Single leg mountain pose to a warrior lunge. Instructions first. Down on all fours to your regular mountain. Feet closer, heels down on the ground, arms down. Now from here, lift your right leg up and towards the ceiling. Nice and straight. Toes pointing. Knees extended out. Ensure your spine and leg are aligned. From here, bring your right foot outside your right arm. Look ahead, chin up, chest up. You can go on your fingertips if you need to. Hips down, knees straight out. Hold. We would repeat the same thing on the other side. We will hold both the asanas for 5 breaths each. Are we ready? Let's do this together. Mountain pose, feet closer, heels down, and bring your right leg up, nice and slow. Do not tilt your hip at any point, and 5 breaths. 1, keep your arms down flat. 2, hold strong, knee extended. 3, 4, almost there, and 5. Now gently bring your right foot forward, drop it down outside your right arm. Chin up, look ahead, chest up, hips down, knees straight out. Hold for 5 breaths and go. 1, feel the stretch around the hip flexors. 2, straighten your knee out. 3, drop your hips down. 4, last one, and 5. Now gently push your right foot back to mountain pose. And time to do it on the other side. Lift your left leg up. Hold for 5 breaths, toes pointed, and go. 1, your spine and leg aligned. 2, hold strong. The other foot flat on the ground. 3, 2 more. 4, knee extended out. 5. Now gently bring your left foot outside your left arm. Chin up, chest up, hips drop down, and knee extended. 5 breaths. 1, hold. 2, knee extended out. 3, hips down. 4, almost there. And 5. Now gently bring your left foot back to the mountain pose. Drop your knee down and done. Warrior pose 2 to a reverse warrior. Instructions first. Keep your feet wider than hip width apart. Now turn your right leg out, arms together, all the way up to the ceiling. Now as you bring your arms down to shoulder level, lunge and look to your right. From here, we come back up, arms right on top towards the ceiling, knees extended out, and as you lunge again to the right, you drop your left arm down, grip your thigh and bend, a lateral bend, chest up, eyes on the ceiling. And back to the center. We will repeat the same on the other side. And we will hold both the asanas for 5 breaths each. Are we ready? Let's do this. Get to your position. Right leg out, arms to the center. Inhale up. Exhale, bring your arms down, lunge and look to the side. Hold for 5 breaths, navel drawn in and go. Inhale, exhale. Hold that lunge strong. Inhale, Exhale, 3 more. Exhale, 2 more. Exhale, extend your back leg out. Exhale, 5. Back to the center, knees straighten out, arms up. Now, reverse warrior. Bend your knee, drop your left arm down, grip, and eyes on the ceiling, chest open. Hold for 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, hold strong. Exhale, 2, keep the knee bent. Exhale, 3, your back leg, knee straight out. Exhale and heel pressed on the ground. Exhale and back to the center, arms down and your toes pointing forward. Repeat on the other side. Push your left leg out, bring your arms to the center. Inhale, take it all the way up. Now bring it down, shoulder level, lunge and look. Hold strong, 5 breaths, go. Inhale, exhale, keep going. Exhale, 2, keep your arms firm. Exhale, 3, back leg extended, heels down. Exhale, 4, last one. Exhale, 5. Back to the center, straighten your knee and arms down. From here, the reverse warrior, arms all the way up to the ceiling, lunge and drop your right arm down and open the chest. Eyes on the ceiling and 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, exhale, 2. Open the chest, back knee straight. Exhale, 3, 2 more to go. Heel press down. 4, last one. 5. Bring your arms back to the center. Down, turn your feet in and relax and done. Locust variation 1 and 2, do a upward facing dog. Instructions first, down on the floor, lie down on your stomach, feet together. Now, your arms down, your palms facing the ceiling. Gently lift your chin, shoulders and your legs off the ground. Hold strong. We will hold that for 5 breaths. From here, transition into another variation. Bring your arms close to your waist, palms on the ground. Now again, lift your chin, chest and legs off the ground. 5 breaths here as well. From here, you drop your legs down and lift your chest up, elbows straightened out, hips off the ground, knees off the ground, toes pointed. And hold for 5 breaths again. Are we ready? Let's do this together. Position. Variation 1. And go. Chin, chest, legs off the ground. Eyes forward, 5 breaths. Feet together. 2. Press down with your arms. 4, last one. 5. Now, come down. Variation 2. Bring your arms close to the waist and lift your chin, chest and legs off the ground. 5 breaths. Eyes gazing forward. 3. Ensure your thighs are also off the ground. Last one. Now bring your legs down on the ground, chest off the ground. From here, push up. Elbows straightened out, hips off the ground, knees off the ground, toes pointed. 5 breaths. Three, 2 more to go. Last one. Excellent. Knees down, hips down, and sit back. And done. We are done with the main asanas. Now let's get straight into the cool down. Supine twist. Start by lying down on the ground, legs extended out straight, arms to the side, shoulder level. Now bring your legs up, knees bent, drop it down to the right side, eyes on the ceiling, shoulders still pressed down to the ground. Back to the center and drop it to the left side. That is one round. We will do 3 rounds continuously, and in the 4th one, we will hold for 5 breaths on each side. Are we ready? Let's go. Position. And go. To the right. Back to center. And left. Back to center. Right. Eyes on the ceiling. Back to center. And left. Don't lift your shoulders off the ground. Feel the stretch. Back to center. Right. Feel the stretch. And back to center. To the left. To the center. Now drop it to the right and hold for 5 breaths. Exhale 1. Drop your knees down. 2. Keep breathing. 3. Shoulders down on the ground, both of them. 4. 1 more. 5. Back to center and take it to the left. Eyes on the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Keep breathing. And 3. Shoulders down on the ground. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale 4. Last one. Knees down. Exhale 5. Back to center and extend the legs out. And now let's begin Savasana. Lie down with your legs extended out straight. Let your feet flop to the side. Arms down on the ground. Palms facing the ceiling or towards your legs. Let there be enough space between your arms and your body to allow the armpits to breathe. Relax. Be aware of your breath. And begin. Continue to focus on your breathing. Now gently move your fingers, move your feet, turn to the right, curl up nice and slow, and rise up to a seated position. Bring your palms together, rub your palms gently, feel the heat generating. And now place your palms on your eyes. And gently open your eyes. And done. Great job, and with that we complete session 5. And I'm very sure that the asanas from the Warrior series is definitely making you strong, but apart from that, it's also making you very confident. And why not? Exercise is supposed to do just that. On that note, you take care. I'm signing off. Hydrate plenty, eat clean, and sleep well. See you in session 6. Bye-bye.